Thank you. My dedication to philosophy of think and come up with new ideas earned me a prestigious title, Iron Man of India. I am Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thank you.
Dear students, I am a lawyer, nationalist, anti-colonial activist. My unwavering commitment to truth and non-violence and embarrassing to high moral principles have led to be known as Father of India. Yes, I am your favorite Bapu Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Dear children, I am the founder of the Missionaries of the Charity. I was known as being a good listener to teach everyone with my compassion. I consistently upheld the value of spread love everywhere you go. This dedication of the honor title Nightingale of India. I am Mother Teresa. Thank you.
Dear students, I am the 11th President